Hey guys, this is Jay Patel, one of the PA here at MyFitMed, and today we'll talk about testosterone boosting supplements. So we've been seeing a lot of patients who comes in and they say that they have tried a lot of over-the-counter testosterone boosting supplements. You walked into supplement store like GNC and stuff, there's like 50 different type of testo boosters that you can see. If you actually read the ingredients in all those stuff, are all horrible stuff. One main thing to take away from this video is stop spending on overpriced testo boosting supplement. All these testo boosting supplement have ingredient like ashwagandha, which is good in general to lower the inflammation, to lower the stress, and that's how it's improving your testosterone. It's not actually a testo booster. You may also see like Tankatali. It may take your testosterone from 200 to 300, but not necessarily improving your overall symptoms. The most important supplement to take to improve your testosterone naturally is vitamin D. Vitamin D is a pro-hormone. Spend on $10 vitamin D than $100 testo boosting supplement, because vitamin D will also improve a lot of your other symptoms. If you have any question, give us a call, subscribe for more videos.